Taking care of and utilising the weapon system, I think, for my tip to any junior soldier is learn it back to front, be it additional to your body, have it, know the ins and outs of it, know every sort of fault, anything that can go wrong with it and know how to fix it. If you know that, then you're pretty sweet and you're good to go.
I remember the first day I got this new SCO, Squad Common Optic, we hadn't zeroed it at all. And so I was supposed to shoot ARQ with it the day after I got it. And we were all scrambling, trying to figure out how we're gonna get it zeroed before the shoot. And luckily one of my sergeants came in through, got us hooked up with a gunny from a different company, and we got to zero our rifles the day before, and then I went on to shoot expert. It was a pretty good time.
All right, gentlemen, 3, 2, 1, begin.
Yeah, dude, you destroyed me.